What would happen if the world suddenly stopped relying on the US dollar? The global economy uses one default money to trade and save, a status known as a reserve currency. When Brazil and China trade goods, they don't exchange their own money. The deal is priced and settled entirely in US dollars. Due to deep historical trust, the US Treasury market is massive. It created a network effect, where nations hold dollars simply because everyone else accepts them. But relying on one central hub carries immense political risk. The US weaponized this network through sanctions and freezing foreign reserves, forcing nations to explore alternatives. Why not switch? Because breaking away requires building a parallel system with equal trust and universal acceptance. Proposed alternatives like BRICS currencies or the euro haven't overcome this hurdle. They lack the deep capital markets to support global trade volume. If the dollar's role collapsed, this unified network would fracture into isolated regional blocks. This means massive trade inefficiencies, volatile exchange rates, and chaotic debt restructuring. The dollar isn't disappearing tomorrow. It remains the global anchor, even with visible cracks in its armor. But what comes after it could shape the next century. Subscribe to GoldenFern for more stories beyond the headlines.